I bet you've hosted the coming guests once, or you are hosting them now. Lack of motivation, anxiety, fatigue, laziness, and depression. Or maybe you know someone suffering from those annoying assholes. Well, after my scientific research, I figured out two potential reasons for what I've mentioned. Did you know that out of the 8 billion people inhabiting this planet, a whopping 1.8 billion of them are dealing with anemia? Yeah, that's a massive chunk of the world's population struggling with this blood-related issue. So what is anemia, you might ask? Well, it's like your blood cells decided to take a vacation and left you feeling worn out and weak. Anemia happens when your blood doesn't produce enough healthy red blood cells to carry the oxygen your body needs. And let me tell you, oxygen is like fuel for your body, so when you're running low on it, you feel like you're dragging yourself through quicksand. Think about it: fatigue, anxiety, depression, irritability, concentration issues, and headaches. These are all potential symptoms of this pesky condition. It's like a party of unpleasantness happening in your body. But wait, there's more. Anemia comes in different flavors. We've got the classic iron deficiency anemia, the vitamin B12 deficiency anemia, and the party crasher, hemolytic anemia. So, how do you know if you're one of the 1.8 billion anemia partygoers? Apart from the classic symptoms I mentioned earlier, there are a few other signs to watch out for. Take a look at your eyes. Conjunctival pallor is when you pull down your eyelid, and instead of seeing a lovely pinkish hue, it's shockingly pale. Not a good look for your peepers, let me tell you that. And here's something quirky. Do you find yourself snacking on non-food items like chalk, dirt, clay, ice, or soap? Well, congrats! You might be in for a pica party. It's like a bizarre craving for the inedible. And guess what? Anemia might be the sneaky host behind this unusual appetite. Oh, and we can't forget about the tongue atrophic glossitis. When you've got iron deficiency anemia, this little muscle in your mouth gets all inflamed and smooth. It's like a no ridges allowed club for your tongue. And hey, there's more. Aphthous ulcers might decide to crash your mouth party. These little oral ulcers can be quite the party poopers. They show up with a white or grayish color, surrounded by a reddened area. Not the kind of guests you'd want, right? But fret not. We've got some tips to handle mild anemia like a pro. 1. Get your iron fix. Red meat, poultry, fish, leafy greens, beans, and fortified cereals. Make them your blood's BFFs. 2. Call in vitamin C. This vitamin is like a sidekick. It enhances iron absorption. So grab some citrus fruits, strawberries, tomatoes, and bell peppers. They'll be your iron's best buddies. 3. Watch out for iron blockers. Tea and coffee can be real party poopers when it comes to iron absorption. So maybe don't invite them to the mealtime bash. 4. Stay hydrated, my friend. Water is like the cool DJ. It keeps the party going with proper blood circulation. 5. Iron supplements. In case you need an extra boost, over-the-counter iron supplements might be your savior. But hey, check in with a healthcare pro before you go on an iron supplement spree. Remember, these tips are for mild anemia. If you're dealing with the heavyweights, it's time to call in the professionals. Healthcare superheroes will be there to save the day. So don't hesitate to seek their help and get a personalized treatment plan to kick anemia out of your life. With 1.8 billion fellow anemia warriors out there, you're not alone in this battle. Whether you're a human, an animal, or a plant, one thing's for sure: we all share an undeniable need for water. Without this life-giving elixir, well, life simply can't exist. Even scientists exploring our solar system look for signs of water to find potential life. So, water is like the VIP pass to the party of existence. Now, let's dive into the wet and wild world of water within our bodies. It's like a water park in there. First up, we've got our incredible brain. A mastermind that's about 73% water. Yep, even this brilliant organ needs its H2O fix. Next, say hello to the heart, the vital beatkeeper, which is also rocking the 73% water club membership. Moving on to the lungs, they're about 83% water, making the exchange of gases during respiration a smooth, aqua-filled process. And don't forget our lifeline blood. It's like 90% water, ensuring nutrients, oxygen, and waste products can hitch a ride to where they need to be. Hey, muscles. They're about 75% water, which keeps them flexible and on their A-game. Even the bones are secretly harboring water, making up roughly 31% of their mass, contributing to their solid strength. Our fantastic skin, the body's largest organ, is approximately 64% water, keeping it elastic and well-hydrated, ready for whatever life throws its way. Even the teeth get in on the water action. Tooth enamel, the protective outer layer, is rocking about 96% water, shielding our pearly whites from decay. So water's not just the ultimate thirst quencher. It's an all-star team player in our bodies, making sure everything works like a well-oiled machine. But hold your water bottles. There's more. Drinking water isn't just about quenching thirst. It's like a superhero protecting us from health issues. Water swoops in to flush waste out of our body, just like it cleanses us in the shower. Kidney stones? No match for increased water intake, as it dilutes urine and sends those pesky stones packing. Looking to kick those calories to the curb? Swap those sugary drinks for water. Trust us. Your body will thank you later. 0 calories and tons of benefits. It's a win-win. And let's talk about saliva. It's mostly water and does more than keep your mouth comfortable. It's like a superhero for your teeth, washing away food particles and fighting off bad breath-causing bacteria. Go, saliva, go! Now I bet you're wondering, am I drinking enough water? Fear not, we've got the answer. When your body's in balance, your urine is a lovely pale straw yellow color. But when you haven't quenched your thirst, your kidneys hold on to as much water as they can, resulting in darker, more concentrated urine. Dark yellow means you're dehydrated and in need of some water love. So let's make a hydration pact. Aim for that pale straw yellow color on the urine chart around #3. The darker shades, 4, 8, are signs of dehydration, and trust us, we don't want that party crashing our body bash. Drink up, water warriors, and let's stay hydrated like the champions we are. Your body will thank you, and you'll feel like the invincible superhero you were meant to be.